Now we're going to show you how to measure up a Tolex Dreadnought style acoustic case. For this case, I just recommend that you purchase the face graphic only, just because if you look at how this is contoured, you'd have to be an expert wrap installer in order to wrap this completely and make it look nice. So when you order a face graphic for a case like this, we'll give you enough material that you'll be able to go right to this seam and finish it off before the seam, and it'll still look nice. So as you can see, I've got my straight edge taped up here at the back, right up against this area, sitting on top of the seam. So you're going to run your tape right from the center. Make sure that you're not over top of the binding. You want to be right on the edge of the inside of the top. Now if your case is arched like mine, just put your finger down and press it and hold it in place, and then do the same thing at the other end, because you want to make sure that you get the measurement of the entire case, not just point A to point B. So there, my measurement is 45 inches and 3/8. Now we're going to repeat this step for the bottom base of the Dreadnought, the inside curve of the Dreadnought, the top base of the Dreadnought, the apex here of the neck, and then the top of the neck. Make sure to set your straight edge on the actual edge here, not over top of the binding. So I've got 17 7/8. That's straight across. If I bend it over the arch, I've got 18 inches. So you can see how measuring over the arch top is very important. 1/8 of an inch off could be 1/8 of an inch of material that you don't have to finish off your graphic. Measuring the inside corners is a little bit more difficult because your ruler is flat and it's curving in. So you're going to get right to the apex of the corner and measure from there. My measurement is 13 inches and 3/8. And again, the same measurement, the apex of the curve, my measurement is 13 3/8. You don't have to worry about this curve here. Just get your ruler flush up against the flat side of the neck. Tape it in place and measure from there. So my measurement is 5 7/8 of an inch. And lastly, the top. So don't worry about the corner, just get it flush up against the flat edge. My measurement up there is 6 3/4. And you're done. Now the reason why you need so many measurements for a Dreadnought case is when we design the graphic for it, we want to make sure that our picture that we put on here is going to fit around every contour of the case properly. If it's not, then we print a picture and you're going to end up with an odd shape. And because all cases are different sizes, we need your exact measurement.